friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chicken potato recipe that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Of course, first things first, getting ready your chicken. I have the chicken fillets here. Look at this. They're really nice and thin. I'm going to add my spices and I am going to rub everything into the chicken. Look how thin it is. And now, of course, I'm going to add half a cup of mustard, half a cup of mayonnaise. You decide how much or how little you want to add. Look at this. I'm adding everything in here. Of course, I'm going to add my spices. And remember, you have everything on the description box. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and the parsley, I'm going to add it towards the end. And now let me incorporate everything in here. Let me tell you, this chicken comes out so moist, so delicious and tender. Always when you prepare your chicken, let it rest for about 30 minutes so it absorbs all those amazing flavors. And now I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to continue with my potatoes. I have 2 large potatoes that I washed really good. And now I'm going to take the skin off. This is going to take time. Make sure that you take all the skin off and then cut it through the center and cut it and cube it. Let me tell you, this recipe is so easy, very few ingredients, but yet so delicious and amazing. I am sure you are going to love it. So here I'm going to cut all my potato in little cubes. And once this is done on my pan, I'm going to add vegetable oil. I'm going to add the potato. I'm going to add the spices. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and we're going to incorporate it. Remember that the potato really absorbs the salt. So this part is very important. You decide how much salt you want to add. Incorporate really good, making sure that you really coat the potato with the oil. And now we're going to get them nice and golden brown. This is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't be flipping them too much. You don't want to break them and pull them apart. You want the little cubes to be nice and golden brown. So here, I'm going to leave them in here. I'm going to let them get nice and golden brown. And I am sure you're really going to love this recipe. The potatoes come out so crispy, so moist from the inside. And now I have half an onion that I'm going to cut and cube in small little pieces. I really want the onion to release the amazing flavor on the same pan where I have the potatoes so that the chicken absorbs that amazing flavor of the onion. Once your potatoes are golden brown in a plate with some napkins, I'm going to add the potato. You really want to enjoy these potatoes, but you don't want this recipe to be very greasy. So here I'm going to get the onion translucent, and then on the same pan, I am going to add the chicken. Look at this. You're going to cook the chicken for about 5 minutes per side until it's nice and golden brown. Remember, we added the mustard and added the mayonnaise, and this is going to make the chicken really tender. So here, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to let it cook. And once the edges start turning a little bit white and you have everything nice and organized, we're going to prepare an amazing taco. I love tacos. So everything that I cook at home, I love adding it in tacos. And here, I'm going to continue cooking, like I said, 5 minutes per side. And once this chicken is ready, I'm going to put it aside and continue with the rest. But let me show you how I'm going to plate it. I'm going to add the chicken on the edges. I'm going to add the crispy potato and onion in the center of the plate so everybody gets a little bit of everything. Let me tell you, this chicken is so moist and delicious. Look at this. Nice and crispy, but yes, nice and moist. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Add your parsley right on the top to give it that earthy color and the flavor, the aroma. Oh my God, my home smells delicious. Of course, I warmed up a tortilla right on top of the fire, and I'm adding my chicken, my potato, and my onion. Who wants anything else? Everything in an amazing taco. My mouth is watering. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken and potato. Of course, I had to enjoy it in a taco. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. The perfect way to enjoy chicken with potato in a taco. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. If you like and love this amazing chicken and potato recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken and potato taco. See you soon. Bye-bye.